Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa Earth elements ng Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Lala Baby, nagpapakilala po. Bibigyan ko kayo ng reading sa mga natitirang araw, linggo ng buwan ng July. So, tingnan natin kung kaninong energy ang mahahagip ko ha. Salamat ng marami. Ito po is a general, not a personal reading. If you want a private reading, okay? Feel free to email Lala Baby. So, tingnan ko lang inyong energy, ha? I will use tarot cards. May kinalaman ba ito sa inyong past, present, or future? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the chariot, okay? It's about movement, okay? Meron ditong tinatawag movement, end of a cycle, opening of a new cycle, end of a relationship, opening of a new relationship. Your first major arcana, whatever is it, it's like tinatawag, meron ditong movement, di ba? Merong action, di ba? Saan ito? May kinalaman ba ito sa inyong career, partnership, relationship, marriage, di ba? Your path, okay? Maybe you want to go to another, it's like tinatawag a new path, di ba? Maybe meron na kayong mga iiwan dito na hindi na kayo interested, okay? So it's about your, ang nakikita ko sa inyo, it's about your responsibilities, a task, may maari din naman, di ba? Okay, a new role, okay, a new obligation, a new opportunities. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Mars, your second major arcana. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? A new role to play, a new responsibilities. Mukhang for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na upgraded, okay? Success, upgraded. You will be given a new title, a new position, di ba? A new role. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag ay pagyaman. Pagyaman. Mukhang magbabago ang itsura ng iyong opisina, okay? Mukhang magbabago ang itsura ng iyong kapaligiran, di ba? Magbabago ang iyong swivel chair, di ba? It's like ito is nakatadhana ka, okay? Nakatadhana ka para ikaw is yumaman, para ikaw is makilala. Okay? Now, before you are not somebody, you are tinatawag nothing, but now you are somebody. Okay? Kita mo. Yan, tinadhana. Okay? Nakatadhana ka. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito, time frame, tingnan natin ha. Ito yung tinatawag na before. Ang nakikita ko talaga dito is tinatawag na September, October, November, December. Okay? So, there is a trouble also ha. Meron ditong trouble. Okay? Yan. So, it's a doors opening for you. May mga doors opening yan ha. Okay? So, sandali lang gagamit ako ng ibang tarot card. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag na the seven. Okay? The seven of swords, yan ha. Upgraded, yan o. Lahat upgraded, okay? Upgraded. It's like upgrade mo ang bahay mo, maaring tinatawag na papalitan mo ang mga sopa, ang mga dining table, di ba? Kasi lumabas itong tinatawag upgrading eh. Kaya upgrade. Upgrade mo ang iyong health, ang iyong beauty, ang iyong tinatawag na bahay, magpapapintura ka ba? Di ba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, out with the old, in with the new. Okay? Embracing a new, ano na ito? Embracing a new face, di ba? Bagong mukha ng bahay, maari din. Maari for some of you, lilipat ng bagong bahay, mas malaking bahay. Maybe you will buy a new car o magpaparenovate ka ng kotse, di ba? So for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, maaring nakikita ko rin sa inyo, yung tinatawag very, very develop ang inyong tinatawag psychic power, okay? It's like you see everything in your vision, di ba? It's like, for some of you are a clairvoyance, yung tinatawag astral travel. Meron dito nag-astral travel, okay? Soul astral, okay? Plane. So, ito yung tinatawag na dito, promotion. May promotion, okay? Upgrading, yan. Yan ha. So, maybe ito yung tinatawag din na it has something to do about marriage. Kung ito isang marriage, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na they will start, okay? Magsisimula na sila magbaybahayan. Maaaring dito sabihin natin baka gusto na nilang magkaanak, di ba? Okay? So very, very blessed, ha? Very, very blessed. Yan, blessings. Blessing is nag-aamba, okay? The chariot, okay? So ibig sabihin nito, the Ace of Cups, contentment, di ba? Okay? Loving yourself, protecting. It's like tinatawag na moisturize your skin, moisturizing your health. Maybe for some of you, tinatawag na babaguhin mo na ang iyong diet, di ba? It's more healthy drinks, healthy food, di ba? So, ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag lahat bago, okay? It's like no more toxic, okay? Body, let's say sabihin natin pagkain, no more toxic. Yan, maaaring dito for some of you yung tinatawag na umiinom ng tsaa na para sila is mag-improve ang kanilang sleeping. Okay, maaaring napupuyat. So, para mag-improve for some of you, siguro kaya umiinom ng tsaa para mag-improve ang kanilang skin, yung tinatawag na blood circulation. Maaring for some of you nakaka-experience ng acne, di ba? Yan. So, ito lang nakikita ko dito, ha? It's more about yourself. Ina-upgrade mo na ang iyong tinatawag na health, beauty, routine, di ba? Maybe a new exercise. Baka bibili ka ng yung tinatawag exercise equipment, di ba? Maybe upgrade mo ang iyong frigidaire, ang iyong home screen television, di ba? Or maybe sabihin na natin it's more about your pagkain, di ba? Your lifestyle, yan. Habits, di ba? It's like yung mga habits, old habits, aalisin mo na. It's more new, okay? So, tingnan natin ang tinatawag na the tower. There is a trouble, okay? The Knight of Swords, yan, ha? There's a trouble, okay? So, nakikita ko dito ay a short trip travel by air, by car, by the sea, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yan, magandang balita. Maybe, sabihin natin, baka may sasalubungin sa airport, ikaw sasalubong sa airport, or ikaw ang sasalubungin sa airport, di ba? So, nakikita dito, there is also about marriage, di ba? Sasabihin na natin, baka ito mag-asawa, magpapangitang uli, or yung tinatawag, may kakaunin sa airport, di ba? So, ang nakikita ko dito, it's like tinatawag a nest, okay? A love nest, di ba? Yan. So, meron dito sa tinatawag na the temperance, yan. The Seven of Pentacles, yan. Whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon dito ng tinatawag malaking improvement, di ba? It's like you will save. Ay, nakikita ko sa inyo is more about savings money. It's like your money is growing. Okay? Your money is growing sa tinatawag na temperance sa Seven of Pentacles. Yan, no? Your money is growing. So, ibig sabihin nito, may paglalagyan. It's like, kaya ka nag-iipon ng pera dahil meron ka ditong paglalagyan. Okay? Maaari dito, bibili ka ng bahay, mag-open ka ng negosyo, baka magbubukas ka ng negosyo. Maybe it has something to do about travel. Yan, oh. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, gagamitin mo itong perang inipon mo. Okay? The Seven of Swords. Yan, ha? Yan. So, whatever is this, it's like tinatawag dito, ano ito mababasa mo sa social media, maybe, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, nakakalungkot naman, okay? There is a bad news, maybe an email, okay? Or a review, a comment, di ba? It's very, very heartbreaking, okay? Kung ano man yan. It has something to do about relationship. Maybe, sabihin na natin ang contact mo sa mga tao, especially sa lawyers, di ba? Sa mga friends, sa halimbawa sabihin natin sa trabaho mo is through social media, messenger. It's like Facebook Messenger, It's very, very heartbreaking. Whatever is this, di ba? So, teka muna ha. Tingnan ko lang itong Ace of Cups ninyo. Tingnan natin ang energy, okay? So, it's more about planning. It's like tinatawag there is an action. It will not take long, okay? It will not take long, okay? Dahil ito'y tinatawag matatapos ang the summer, okay? The summer. Approaching autumn ito, okay? Yan. Itong action, whatever, movement, di ba? So, maaaring ito for some of you, kaya dito, it's like tinatawag strengthening your immune, di ba? Yan, no? Strengthening the Ace of Cups is about strengthening your immune. Maybe you have an asthma, you have an allergy, di ba? Yan. So, narito ang mga herbal, something like that. Narito ang tinatawag na the six of clubs, di ba? So, ang ibig sabihin niyan is yung tinatawag na success, di ba? Maybe this is your business. Maybe you have a business, di ba? Nakikita ko sa inyo, okay? Whatever is this, it's like promoting your business, okay? Ibig sabihin nito magkakaroon ng success. Maybe promoter kayo, nagpo-promote kayo ng beauty products or herbal products, di ba? Or whatever, di ba? It's like tinatawag that's your business, okay? Maybe you open a business, maybe a restaurant, di ba? Or it has something to do about health, di ba? Health products or whatever, o kaya exercise materials, okay? Whatever is this, magkakaroon ng tinatawag success, okay? Success in business, ang nakikita ko dito. Kita na may success sa bahay, ibig sabihin yan, maybe tinatawag naglalagay ka ng mga plants sa bahay para mag-improve ang tinatawag air circulation, maalis yung pollution, di ba? So, maganda, okay? Tingnan natin ang the Knight of Swords. Yan, ha? So, ibig sabihin itong the Knight of Swords na ito is yung tinatawag na meron ditong, if it is a love relationship, magkakabalikan. Diba? It's like tinatawag, maaari tayong matagal na nilang pinaplano. Okay? It's like there is a trip between you. Okay? Kayo lang ang dalawa nakikita ko. Okay? Ibig sabihin ito. Yan, oh. Sa tinatawag na the Four of Hearts, di ba? So, nakikita ko diyan yung tinatawag for some of you is about sandali lang, ha? Okay? Because it's like nakatira itong mag-asawang ito sa ibang bansa. Okay? May bahay sila sa ibang bansa. Okay? They work in another country. They are dealing with the foreigners, di ba? Okay? Dito. Yan, ha? Okay. So, kung ano man yan, ha? It's like tinatawag na matatapos na yung kanilang pag-iisa. Baka matagal silang naging mag-isa. This time, maaari ito yung may sasalubungin sila sa airport, di ba? It's like magkakasama. So, the happiness is there, okay? So, there is a blessings, okay? So, tinatawag na the seven of Pentacles, lumabas ang the Queen of Clubs, di ba? So, whatever is this, is like tinatawag dito kung ito yung negosyo, okay? Ito'y hanap buhay. Kasi it has something to do about success, especially sa pera. Okay? Yan, no? Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na hindi magiging problema ang pera sa iyo. Okay? Dahil lumabas ang the Queen of Clubs. Okay? No more problems, especially sa inyong pamemera. It's like, sobra-sobra na ang pamemera. Okay? Wala ka ng problema sa pamemera. Kahit sabihin na nating you want to renovate a house, to buy a car, or yung tinatawag bibili ka ng mga furnitures for your indoors furnitures. Ibig sabihin niya ang tinatawag na hindi mo magiging problema. Sobra-sobra pa. Okay? Yan. So it's like tinatawag sky's the limit. Diba? Kasi meron dito. Okay? Yan, it's like success, abundance, okay? So, sa tinatawag na the Three of Swords, di ba? So, it's something to do with kung ano man yan, it's like, sandali lang ha, ano ga ito, the Six of Swords, di ba? So, it's like, sabihin na nating, kailangang mag-build up. Kailangang, kasi na, dito inilalabas, okay? So, there is a tinatawag na anyo communication. It's like a language, di ba? Bagong headlines, bagong issue. It's like there is an issue that you will receive, okay, dito sa tinatawag na, kasi social, ito yung mobile, di ba? It's like cellphone, di ba? Telephone, okay? Makadurog puso kung ano itong balitang ito. So it has something to do about sa mga taong malalapit sa puso nyo. Pwedeng family, relatives, siblings, okay? Parents, in-laws, di ba? Friends, pwede rin. Cousins, pwede rin. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag kalungkutan. Okay? Kalungkutan. Yan. It's like there is a sorrow. Okay? A sorrow. Yan. It's like tinatawag makikiisa. It's like tinatawag, kasi lumabas ang the Ace of Hearts, meaning to say, you are one. Kung ano itong nararamdaman nilang kalungkutan, nakikiisa ka. Okay? So, it's about replying. Okay? Nakikiisa ka. Yan, sa kanilang kalungkutan, sa kanilang loss, di ba? Sa kanilang kapighatian. Yan, nakikiisa ka. Yan, it's like tinatawag dito na it's about sympathy, nararamdaman mo sa kanilang loss. Kasi mababasa mo through social media, maybe they will inform you or ito yung tinatawag ipopost, itong kalungkutan na it has something to do sa tinatawag na the Seven of Swords. Okay? So, last card na lang, ha? The Six of, ito? The Six of Clubs, okay? So, maaaring dito yung tinatawag the ending, okay? The end of your sufferings, the end of your trying hard, the end of your work, hard work, okay? The end of your hard work. Magkakaroon dito ng tinatawag na payoff, ha? Yan. Yan. So, the Ace of Wands, ito yung tinatawag na opportunities, di ba? Okay? Maybe you want to grab these opportunities, di ba? Okay? It's like tinatawag, chances are, is tinatawag, hindi mo na ito pakakawalan, whatever is this, di ba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito, grabbing these opportunities, okay? Okay, sa tinatawag na the King of Wands, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, whatever is this, you are hoping na magkaroon ng result, di ba? A good result. Maybe ito yung tinatawag from a group of people with an authority, okay? Yan. Whatever is this, di ba? It's like tinatawag, hinihintay mo about the result. Okay, maybe this has something to do about visa, di ba? Visa permit, releasing ng visa or tinatawag na immigrant, magi-immigrate, di ba? Something like that. Yun na nakikita ko, okay? So, maaaring ito yung tinatawag na people with authority like immigration, customs, di ba? Airlines, di ba? Yan. So, tingnan natin itong the Queen of Clubs. Yan. Okay. So, meron ditong tinatawag alagain. Okay. Magiging alagain. Okay. Yan. So, whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, you will share your money. Okay. You will share your blessing. It's more about kung sino itong tutulungan ninyo. May mga tinutulungan kayo dito, nakikita ko, from the past to the present. Okay? Wala dito ang future. From the past to the present, mga tinutulungan ninyo. Okay? It's more about sharing your blessings. Maaring dito yung tinatawag na itong iniipon ninyong pera na ito is tinatawag na kailangan buksan sapagkat meron ditong nangangailangan. Okay? Nangangailangan ng financial. It's more about financial, 'di ba? Para matulungan itong taong ito. Okay? Yan. So it's like they will kasi narito ang the angel. Maybe they want to buy a transformation, a car, okay, or transferring in a new location or building a house, di ba? So, ito ikaw, it's like tinatawag na you will share your blessings because you have the resources, di ba? You have all the means and you will give it. Kung sino man ito, maybe your children, maaring asawa mo, parte sa asawa mo, maybe there is an operation. You have to open. It's like dito. Yung pinagkakatago-tago mo, marami kang pera. So, ibig sabihin nito, mayroong kagastusan, di ba? It's like tinatawag, bubunutin mo siya sa kanyang utang, bubunutin mo siya sa kanyang tinatawag na kung saan siya nakakommit, maybe may utang sa bangko, di ba? Or maaari ito yung tinatawag na hindi siya capable magtrabaho. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw ang gumagasto sa kanya, di ba? Kasi ang nakikita ko dito ay, this is a very, very dependent sa inyo. Okay? Hindi independent ito. It's like this person has no backbone. Ang nakita ko, this person is no backbone. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, kaya lang siya nabubuhay. Ang oxygen comes from you. Okay? Yaan. It's like meron ditong masarap ang buhay na kumbaga nakakapit sa inyo. It's like para silang mga linta, di ba? Kung kaya dito, whatever is this, it's like you have all the resources and you have to give to this person, di ba? Maybe this person is tamad or may na aksidente or invalid. Kasi nakikita dito yung pagiging yung tinatawag na no movement. Okay? Yan. Walang backbones, walang palo, di ba? Lahat alay sa kanya. Okay? Sad to say. Okay? So, meron whatever is this. Okay? Yung tinatawag na celebration. Okay? It's like kung meron ditong lungkot, mapapalitan ng saya. Okay? Yan, no? So, tinatawag na the Ace of Hearts. Okay? Yan. It's like, for some of you, whatever is this, the decision, let's say the decision comes from the court, from the immigration, from the surgeon, from the university, CEO, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, there is something to celebrate. There is something, okay? Merong dapat i-celebrate. Okay? Maybe a marriage, maybe a new work, di ba? Maybe a relationship, commitment, partnership, kung ano man itong tinatawag na the Three of Cups. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, harvesting. Yan, no? Yan, di ba? So, maybe there is a new relationship, a new movement, di ba? Whatever. It's like sabihin natin, palagi mong tinitingnan ng iyong social media, maybe your email, di ba? Lagi mong chinecheck. So, it has something to do sa tinatawag na the Ace of Hearts. So, whatever is this you are waiting, magkakaroon ng tinatawag na fruition, success. Okay, harvesting. Okay, thank you very much po. So, kaya ito'y harvesting, di ba? Kasi ang end of harvesting dito sa Europa is 21 of September. So more or less, nakikita ko dito yung tinatawag harvesting time pagkatapos ng summer season. Summer season, okay? So ito yung tinatawag na, ano na ito, preparation, okay? Preparing for the autumn season. So whatever the harvesting is in the autumn season, papasok ng autumn season.